In today's video, I will walk you through how to trade on Crypto.com exchange. Begin by opening the Crypto.com exchange app. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your total balance near the top. Along the bottom of the app, you'll find tabs such as Home, Markets, Trade, and Wallets. To start spot trading, tap on the Trade tab. Inside this section, you'll see three available trading types: Spot, Perpetual, and Futures. For this walkthrough, select Spot. Next, choose the trading pair you want to use. For this example, select the CRO and USD trading pair. After opening the trading pair, make sure the Buy tab is selected. You'll also see several order types, including Limit, Market, Stop Loss Limit, and Stop Loss Market. For this tutorial, leave the order type set to Limit. A limit order lets you enter the price at which you want to buy. Type your preferred buy price into the price field. Below that, enter the quantity of tokens you want to purchase. On the trading screen, you'll notice the red section displays sell orders, while the green section displays buy orders. The current market price is shown between those sections. If you prefer, you can also use the percentage slider to choose how much of your available balance you want to spend. Once you've entered all of your order details, tap the Buy button. Review the information shown on the confirmation screen. Check the purchase amount, the number of tokens you'll receive, and the order details. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to place the order. Your order will appear in the Open Orders section. If your selected buy price is reached, the order will be executed automatically. To review completed trades, tap More, and then select Order History. Here, you'll be able to confirm whether your limit order has been filled. Now let's look at selling cryptocurrency. Return to the Trade section and choose the trading pair you want to sell. This time, select the Sell tab. Keep the order type set to Limit. Enter the price at which you want to sell. Then enter the number of tokens you want to sell. The app will display how much you'll receive from the transaction. After reviewing the details, tap Sell and then tap Confirm. Your sell order will appear under Open Orders until the market reaches your selected sell price. Once that price is triggered, the order will execute automatically. If you decide not to continue with the trade, you can cancel the order from the Open Orders section. Finally, tap More and Open Order History whenever you want to review your completed buy and sell orders. That's how you trade cryptocurrency on the Crypto.com exchange app using spot trading. Thank you for watching.